What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to post a video of the Taylor Freelance Signature Series base pads for the Canik TP9 series. I had ordered the black one, the brass one, and the red one. And I was going to order the blue one, but they were out of stock, so I'll just get it when it comes back in stock. Now these are +4s. So if you got in my case, I got the 18 rounders, so that'll be what, 22 +1 in the chamber. This is the black brass one. That's the brass one. I normally don't go for brass, but I picked this up because I'm gonna be getting the Signature Series TP9 SFX whiteout, so I think I'll just get this for it. But I also got the red one as well for it. And yeah, that's the Mete SFX Blackout. Right now I'm just checking just to make sure, verifying that everything's unloaded and all clear. And you guys will get a kick out of this. The springs just popped out on me and I knew it was gonna happen. But whatever, it happens. Just wanted to speed it up because it took a while for me to take that off. You gotta make sure that you back out the screw, otherwise it won't clear the spring. I had did that prior to it. I used a 732 Allen key. I don't know if that's the right one, but it worked. I think that looks nice. I mean, I'm not gonna run it that way, but it looks pretty nice. For those of you that like brass, that color, you'll like it. Now, it didn't happen there. Just wait for it. Yeah. I like that red one. I kept doing that. It's, you know, trying to record behind the camera or behind my phone, putting in the magazines backwards, not realizing it. That red looks pretty good on that too, not gonna lie. There we go again. That looks nice like that too. Now the black one was giving me trouble. I had to spring. I had to cut a part out, edit it out. Didn't happen to me there. But yeah, that black magazine's gonna go. It's gonna live with that SFX, the Mete SFX. It's gonna live with that one. Yeah, I marred it up, but whatever. That's the way that, yeah, that's gonna stay like that. Now it looks nice on that too. I got their classic base pad for that one. Yeah. So there you have it. You got the black one, you got the red, and the brass. But I'll pick up the blue one pretty soon. I ended up with some pictures here, so you know each colored base pad on how it looks on each gun that I got. Yeah, I can't wait for the Signature Series whiteout. I threw in a picture of my Elite Combat Executive with the brass. That looks pretty cool. And it's coming up right now. But I had to use the 15 round mag. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short video.